Number 5 is WEEFUN Tina2's 3D printer. If you are starting your kitchen experience and you can make cookie cutter products, then WEEFUN Tina2's 3D printer is the best choice. The WEEFUN Tina2's 3D printer is an innovative masterpiece tailored for beginners. This printer is assembled to your ability and creativity without the hassle of a complex setup, seamlessly merging technology and convenience. It's the ultimate gift for tech enthusiasts, artists, educators, and anyone captivated by the world of 3D printing. This printer stands out through its wireless printing, which connects through the groundbreaking Polo Print Cloud app. This app offers a treasure stock of cookie cutters and 3D models, transforming your smartphone or tablet into a command center for one-click slicing and Wi-Fi cloud printing. With a self-developed motherboard, it boasts whisper-quiet operation at a mere 40 to 50 dB and zooming ahead at up to 200 mm per second. Its enhanced CPU performance promises faster, uninterrupted printing. The Tina2S presents auto-leveling perfection with its dual X/Y/axis, guaranteeing precise prints with minimal effort. The reimagined cooling system and connection with 6 heat dissipation aluminum sheets and a high-speed fan ensure pristine results and block-free nozzles. If you're impressed by this printer, you can make it yours today. The purchase link is provided in the description below. That's all from us in today's video about the best 3D printers for cookies cutter. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can purchase them at the most suitable price. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in another exciting video of sublimation focus.